Well, I'm doing a little quick video of my Nissan Murano Cross Cabriolet taken apart here. I have an issue with the display. It keeps turning off and back on. I took it to the dealer and they said that they had to replace the display and it cost $1,600. I looked online and there's displays, used ones for like $60, so figured, well, I'll try it out myself and see if I can take this apart. I didn't see the exact year. This is 2011. So I'm kind of ad-libbing it here. I don't understand how this piece goes together. It looks like it attaches to the dashboard or the instrument panel, but I can't really tell. So anyway, I can't get this out. I was afraid that I might break it, so I just left it there and took the display out. There was just two screws, and then I unconnected it. This is the bottom part of it. That took 8 screws, 4 on each side. But before that, the trick is to start down here with this panel. You drop that. I just used a little pry piece plastic so that I didn't ruin it. Drop this piece down, and then you can access 2 screws that hold these on, and then they just move away, and that allows you to get to the screws that take the front panel off. Then you can access this top piece. I did lose one of my vents here. I'll have to wiggle that back in, and we'll see if I can get this back together. The reason I'm pulling this all apart, I didn't buy the piece yet. I wanted to double check the part number on this. It's 28091, because looking online there was a lot of different part numbers, and this one, that's part number there. Can't seem to read it out loud, but I'm gonna try replacing the screen first, and if that doesn't work, I'm gonna have to replace this unit. And I found this online for $250, so hopefully it will come back together. There is one trick I wanted to share with these plugs. They do have a little clip that you have to push down. No, not sure if you can see that there. Push down before pulling it out of the back of the display. It's really hard to see. And this one, I think, just comes right out. So that's it. Well, guys, it did go all back together. I found one trick on this right side vent. You need to put that into this piece, this outer piece, before pushing it all in as a unit. I tried the other way, pushing the vent in and then this outer piece on top of it, and that was total cluster. Didn't work. So anyway, my screen hasn't rebooted yet, so I wonder if I just have a bad connection and my dealership just charged me $99 to tell me that they needed to replace it. So, because I unconnected it or disconnected it and there it goes. So I do need a piece. So, well, you're able to witness my rebooting. It doesn't matter what screen it's on, whether it's the map, the settings. I've actually tried them all just to see, and it doesn't matter what. So again, this is a 2011, and I have looked at other things, and they tell me to update the software, and the dealer said that would not help it. So I'm going with a new one.